Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today talking acacia, vivid yellow, so fabulous. Doesn't last real long in the air. So when you get it in, a couple of techniques that will help it last longer. First, don't remove it from the plastic. Leave it enclosed. That helps keep it from dehydrating. If yours comes bare without plastic, take the time to put it into a plastic bag. A garbage bag will work just fine because you want to trap that moisture in. Then remove the lower foliage. You don't want that in the water to rot. Give it a sharp cut. Then set it into water, place it in the cooler, and then when you're ready to work with it, take out just the parts you need and design away. Now you know how the pros do it.